Hi there. Can I tell you a secret? Up to about 5 minutes ago, I was decided not to record this video. And that's because even though I've had many years of experience in the corporate world, coaching, leading, mentoring, I have worn many hats and I have held many positions. Even with all of that under my belt, there's often this little voice that shows up asking me, what do you have to offer? Are you sure you're ready to do that? And what if it doesn't work? Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Maria Martinez, and I'm grateful for the opportunity to connect with you today and just share heart to heart where I'm at and what I envision this place to be. Once I reached midlife, I realized that this is not the end, it's the beginning of a new chapter. And I suspect that if you have found me, it's very likely that you have been in a position like mine, or maybe you've heard that little voice asking you, are you sure? Why would you do that? That is the reason why I've created this space. That is the reason why I want to build this community. Not because I have all the answers and I have already figured everything out, not at all, but because I haven't. Because I'm here with you, rolling up my sleeves and doing the work. Again, this is the Inner Authority Project where I envision and I anticipate a community where we can grow and learn and support each other along the way. If you'd like to discover what this journey is going to be like for me, please add your comments in the comment section. Tell me I'm in if you want to come along with me on this journey. If we have topics you want me to talk about or that you might be struggling with that we can support you on, also type that in the comment section so that we can explore together. And if, like me, you can use a little extra help in silencing that little inner critic voice, please go ahead and download a new resource that I have put together that has 5 different ways or tactics to silence that inner critic. Those are science-based strategies that I personally use myself, and I put them together on a downloadable resource that you too can use and follow along. I look forward to an amazing journey together. I hope that I can count on you to be a part of that journey as well. I'm grateful for this and every opportunity that I have to make an impact, and I look forward to continue this experience with you. Until next time, make sure you like and subscribe because my commitment is to come to you at least twice a week with something powerful, something actionable, and something that can help you create the next phase of your life with power and with intention. Again, Dr. Maria Martinez saying goodbye for now. And this is the Inner Authority Project. Until next time.